So bring me in. Stuck in this county jail, to hell with the bill. Stuck with some charges that won't stick, I can tell. I've been blamed for some shit, and famed for some shit. I ain't past the counterfeit, bitch, I was framed for this shit. Off rip, I keep a gat, y'all know that from way back. I'm that OG with the raps, they kept the block out slinging gat. Secret Service making me nervous, thinking in my head I don't deserve this. Veteran student prudent, I ain't tripping, I'ma beat this. Now why the hell would I print some fake dope? Y'all just want a nigga story for your fucked up news show. Ain't got enough niggas toting pistols and borrow them. Prejudice motherfuckers on my dick like some simpletons. My Uzi weighs a ton, glad y'all didn't get that. Yo, call up ATF, we'll see what's fucking with that. I put Akron on the map, I serve my country at that. And y'all wanna publicize me cause I'm strapped with a gat and found some funny money, but enough about that. Cause y'all players try to kill me, but I'm tight with a bat. Got me oranged up with a rolling radio in my cell. Like fuck Bell, cause he's scandalous as hell, but I never fail. Commissary coming like them bums, I'm souped up. Literally feeling me, hot chocolate with big cups. You bangers and you slangers, you be feeling this shit. Falsely accused, get it crunk, bumpin', know you legit. Shit. Go see lonely. It's cold as hell in this lonely cell. Go see lonely. Tripping off these silly ass niggas, they worse than me. Felony after felony, misdemeanors, long histories. My pot is 4C and I'ma rep this bitch. Ice real hard to feel cause I ain't no punk ass snitch. I've been down this road too many fucking times. And if they charge me with anything, should be carrying concealed rhymes. And these deputies be thinking they gods, poking pride, but oh my god, it's the streets when I get out this pod. These female deputies be winking at me, and yo, these male deputies, see they be hating on me. These wanna be rapping inmates, be jealous of me, but I guarantee you all three can catch some caps from me. No, Lord Jesus, thank you much for white folks. Yo, all of them ain't bad, just the one who slide them nigga jokes. And down folks who be holding it down for folks. Bloods and Crips, most wanted in cash with chips. But I'm a hustling motherfucker and I won't tell if you won't tell. It's cold as hell in this lonely cell. The version of it. Now where my bitch at? It's cold as hell in this lonely cell. Folks see lonely. My bond was 25 G's cash, and I didn't save a private stash. Goddamn, 3 whole weeks then passed, and these niggas in my business like bitches. Hurry up and get indicted before I take that ass and light it. Don't fight it or hide it because you can't win. You know who this is, hold it down for the AKO 18 with a pen, cause I don't bang no more. Share crops, dro, chop, blow, don't slang no more. Cause I'm a hoe, you know it ain't so. Call me that again, bitch ass nigga, and I'ma let you know why they call a nigga Bell Rock. Stick 'em up, don't duck, be proud, motherfucker, that's how you do a job. I got these fetties running hair cut off, and my Donna's beautiful queen from Cali, straight up a nigga's alley. The best thing a nigga ever had. Oh, she mad off in my shit, but the real bitch was facing my dad. But on the strip, he can feel me, yo. He done a 12 piece, but mom be mad, know how that shit go. And I'm like, one, leave it to Pops, cause he feel me knocking. And if you really wanted to help a nigga, call Cochran. And stop blocking, cause that's getting on a nigga's nerve. And when I blow, I'ma hit the curb, word to birds. You heard? Shit absurd. That's my word. Now where my bitch at? It's cold as hell in this lonely cell. Folks see lonely. It's cold as hell in this lonely cell. My eyes on you, motherfucker. Now where my bitch at? Fuck Barber, this newspaper. You heard? Them fake ass attorneys. Fuck the judge. I'm full fucking with that. Bitch ass Barber, punk ass drive through attendant. My eyes on you, motherfucker. Play me. Ta-da.